Hello people, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this cool shake effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Okay, now in Premiere Pro the first thing we will do is to create a adjustment layer. So in this case I'm gonna go to my project panel, right click, go up to new item and create adjustment layer. We're gonna keep the same video settings as our video on the timeline and click OK. Then I'll grab the adjustment layer and drag it over my video just a few frames forward, probably from the place where we want this effect to begin. Then what I will do, I will just make it a little bit smaller so we can see better, and then I will duplicate this adjustment layer one more time and put it one track above. Then I will go to effects and type crop for the crop effect. Then I'll go on the transform and grab the crop effect and drop it over the adjustment layer at the top. Then I'll go back to effects and type down directional blur. Then I'll grab the directional blur effect and drop it over the adjustment layer below the top one. And while the layer is still selected, I'll move towards the effects control panel, and from there I'm gonna go down to directional blur and increase the blur length to 35 in my case, but you can increase it to whatever value you want. Then I'll select the top adjustment layer, and again I'll go to the effects control panel, go down to crop, and from top I will go up to 10%, and then from bottom I will go up to 10% as well. But let me extend the adjustment layer so you can see better. I'm doing it this way because I think the video looks much better like that, and also the effect has a bigger impact on it. But now let's go back to the first layer where we have applied the directional blur, and then while still selected I'm gonna move, let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see better. I'll move one frame forward, then with the razor tool I'll make a cut, then another frame forward, make a cut, another frame forward, make a cut, another frame forward, make a cut, and do like 4 or 5 or 6, it depends how many like shakes you want in your video. Then I'll select every second cut holding the shift, and then I'll delete all of them. And now when I play it, you can see that we've got a little shake effect. And to make your life easier, if you want to put these effects in more places in the video, you simply select all of them, then Alt, hold it, and place it wherever you like. In my case, I'll drop them where the beat hits, like in this song. And here I want to mention something very important. When you're creating this effect, make sure you've got a music or a sound effects, otherwise it doesn't look good. So let me play it without the music. As you can see, it looks okay. And now I'll play it with the music to see the difference. Did you see? It looks much better with the music on. And there you have it guys, that's how you can create this shake effect in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.